Yeah, hi everyone. Today I would like to contribute a bit to the open source community. So today we'll build an agent, which basically helps you to prepare interview. You give any interview, you get couple of questions. You go to the interface and you ask. You give any topic basically. Give any topic. It will give you a couple of questions, and you try to answer the questions in your brain. And if you are not getting the answers, don't worry. There I am giving a one more button at the bottom, which is get answers, so you'll get question answers immediately, and then we'll click on a download button, so it will download everything together. So right, so without wasting any further time, let's go and jump into the coding. So I'll create a new folder over here, which is YouTube, you know interview interview prep. Okay, so this agent currently I'm new terminate folder, and I'm using a IDE called cursor. You can use any IDE. I'm using cursor. You can use VS Code. You can use Jupyter Notebook as well if anyone of you comfortable. So before starting any project, you should have requirements.txt, right? Requirements.txt. Then you should have to store your secrets like OpenAI key. You need .env. Then to run the file, you need app.py, right? So go to the requirement.txt. We are building using CrewaI, right? So CrewaI and CrewaI tools. You need interface for that. Use Streamlit, and you would require the Python.env to load your environment variables, and you require report lab for creation of PDF. So okay, you can create a virtual environment. One second. I'm using a dual screen, guys. So yeah, create new terminal and clear, right? So so today this project requires CrewaI version 0.028, and some other project requires some other version of it. So to avoid these problems, we create a virtual environments. So I use Conda for creating virtual environments. Conda create hyphen name YouTube interview, right? Let me say interview. So this is the virtual environment name, and I am going to build it in the Python is equal to 3.11.4, right? So I am creating a virtual environment using Conda, and click Y. Once the VE get created, you just need to activate the VE, right? Okay. So you just have to copy this command, Conda activate a YT interview. Once you do that, you get this YT interview at the beginning of this command, this terminal line, right? That means that the virtual environment is in and active. Just clear it. So all this will go away. Now to install the requirements, pip install -r requirements.txt, hit enter. So I'm using MacBook, guys. This is a Apple laptop, so commands could be slightly different, but not mostly it should be the same. Slightly different than Windows laptop, don't worry. Okay, meanwhile this gets installed, let's go to app.py. So when you say you want to build using CrewaI, that means that a CrewaI consists of mainly an agent, a task, and a crew together, right? So from CrewaI, okay, import agent, task, and crew, right? These are the main things. And import os .onv, and OpenAI is equal to, yeah, this will load your OpenAI key. So for that, first you have to define your OpenAI key over here. Just go to .env and load is equal to, yeah, OpenAI key would look like something like this, but this is not the original key. It will be much more bigger. You have to update your own key over here, right? So now interview interview underscore agent. Let's say, yeah, interview agent is equal to an agent. Let's give an agent. Then let's give every agent should have a role, uh, and it should have a goal, and it should have backstory. It's mandatory, guys. Since I am using cursor, it's coming automatically, but you will have to type over here. So just remove this one. So it should be like where boss is equal to true or false. I'll show you. Let's keep it as false for now. And LLM is equal to, you can use any LLM you want. So okay, so yeah, Let me just give me a second. So I already have it right for you or written it for you. So if you see here now, so you got a role, you got a goal, you got a backstory, you got verbose, you got LLM. So just we are getting LLM here, right? Just import the LLM also from here, right? So now interview backstory we are missing, so let me write the backstory as well. So yeah, okay. So just remember, agent you should have a role, goal, backstory, a verbose, and verbose, and by default is true. But if you want to switch it up, just make it false. These two are optional, guys. Verbose and LM are optional. By default, it goes to OpenAI and GPT 3.5 model, CrewaI. Now you would require a task, right? Task would be like task again will have certain parameters, like task could have like parameters like something like this. If you see here, okay, task would have a description, agent. Every task should be connected to an agent, right? Interview so is linking in agent, and what is the expected output you are getting. So list of interview questions for specific topic. So if you want to give, if you give us, if you hard code it, it will come, but we want it to be dynamic, right? So it should change as per your requirement, right? So we should pass this variable called topic, then only give thing. So let us put this in a definition, and let's run it. Okay, so whatever topic you pass, the topic variable should over here, and you can kick it off. So let us store this in a final result and print final result, right? Okay, one second, let me, I need to update my key, just so I have updated my key. Just come here, clear. Now I just saved my file, and if I run my file, python app.py, okay, and if I wait up, see, I got my 10 questions, and here's the final answer. This is the agent thinking. So this is what how agent is thinking, and what is the, whatever you see in blue color is agent thinking, green color is agent thinking, and this is the final answer, right? So yeah, this is very basic code, guys. This is how you build an agent. Very easy. So I'll recap you for one more time. This is the agents. This is the task. You need to pass the variable to task. You need to create a function and get your task done, right? Now I told you, right, I will also build a streamlit UI. So I'll just quickly show you that app as well. So yeah, with UI.py, right? Just I already have a code with me. I'll just quickly show it and show it to you. So this is an agent based out of, this is an application based on usually, so okay, sorry. So I wrote this agentic framework using CrewaI, and the main objective is again, to have a basic interface where you can give a topic and you get the answers to the question, all the interview questions. And if you want to know the answers, just click on the get answers button. Then you will get question and answers button. And if you want to download the answers, that is also possible. So yeah, so I'll just run streamlit run as a file name with ui.py. So yeah, so once I do that, the basic, the basic topic is coming over here. Like I just give linear regression. I just want questions for linear regression, right? And see here, click generate questions over here. The moment you see running button over here, so the man would be cycling, swimming, and jumping. Yeah, you got the questions. And if you want the answers, like if you go to the questions, you got explain the agents of linear regression, difference between simple and multiple integration, how do you interpret coefficient of independent variables, right? These are all linear regression related questions. And get generate answers. The moment I click over here, I still getting a running button over here. That means the code is running in the background, right? Yeah, you see the question and the answer. So what are the assumptions, linearity, independence, and everything. Okay, so now if you go to the bottom, you can download this conditional PDF. So yeah, if you go over here, yes, it is coming over here, right? Yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. So yeah, see you in the next time, and please let me know what else agents you want me to build. I will build it and contribute, and I will contribute to the open source as much as I can. Thanks a lot for your time.